Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and schedule delivery on Instacart. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Instacart. Once you've done that, simply click on the first link, which is going to be www.instacart.com right over here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you are already logged in into your account, and simply go ahead and select any store that you want to order from. Add things to cart by clicking on the add button right over here. And now once you've done that, click on view cart, click on go to checkout. And now finally, when you're on your checkout page, there's going to be a little schedule and save button. Simply go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, there's going to be the time that you can simply go ahead and schedule your delivery on, or there's also dates right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.